Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video, I'm going to explain to you how you can fix Shein suspended account. So first things first, let me explain to you why Shein usually suspends accounts. So usually it's due to security reasons or if they suspect any unusual activity. But guys, the good news is, of course, you can resolve this issue and it's very straightforward to actually do so. So what you need to basically do is you want to reach out to Shein's customer service. So you can do this through their official website or app, and you want to explain your situation clearly and politely. And if they have requested any verification, you can do that and ask them to maybe, give you a process that you can go through to take your case faster so you can verify yourself, right? Remember, guys, of course, patience is key, so it can take some time. And if you want to prevent any future suspensions, you want to make sure that you're actually following Shein's terms of service. You want to avoid sharing your account with others, and you want to steer clear of any action that, of course, can trigger Shein security alerts, okay? You want to make sure your account is secure, keep your shopping habits in check, avoid any future interruptions, guys. So I hope this video helps shed some light for you, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.